Hello, I'm Keno Valley, Education Manager for JRL USA, and I'm going to show you how to properly maintenance your JRL FreshFade 1040. To do so, we're going to need our clipper oil and also our cleaning brush. First things first, you'll take your JRL FreshFade 1040 and your clipper brush and you'll clean off all visible hair that you see on the outside. Secondly, you'll want to clean below the lever and also above the lever. It's very important that you do this so that you can keep hair free and clear from the lever so that you can have a smooth transition. Next, we want to clean out the inside. To do so, we're going to take our blade off and then clean on the inside, whatever visible hair you see at the bottom, the sides, and also the top. To clean your JRL FreshFade 1040 blade, you'll take whatever visible hair you see. But to clean inside, you apply a little pressure here, open up your blade, and clean from the inside. Now, once we have our blade free and clear of hair, of course, now we want to oil it. So you'll take a little oil and you'll apply it in one corner, in the opposite corner, and possibly also in the middle. Inside your blade, you have two U-shaped ducts, one on one side and one on the other. You'll place oil there as well, and then simply take your blade and place it back on. And that's how you properly maintain your JRL FreshFade 1040.